What is up, YouTube? I know everybody's stuck at home. Everybody's worried about how they're going to pay their bills right now. And that's what this review is all about. This is all about a new product called the Lockdown Formula. It starts right now. But before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat, and that's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: to review software and info products in the make money online niche to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, this is no time for jokes, okay? Seriously, stop it. He's annoying. He does it all the time. Anyway, if if you're new to the channel, what I do, the way things work here is that if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, if I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. I love Liz. Since we've been stuck in lockdown, I've been rewatching 30 Rock, and she's great. I love Liz. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay. Welcome. We are on the sales page for the Lockdown Formula. This is from my friend Dawood Islam and his launch partner, Donald Armstrong. Yes, that Donald Armstrong, the famous one. And very interesting launch over here. Now, let's be perfectly honest here. Okay, these numbers, $100,000, that's not happening right away. That takes time to build up. It's just not going to happen. What is realistic, you could see $100 coming in within a couple of days. That you could see. You could see $50, $100 coming in within a few days of getting started with this particular method. And I'm going to explain to you what the method is in just a moment. Okay, this isn't really hard to do. You don't need a massive email list in order to make this work. You are going to need to build a list. Basically, the idea here is to go back to basics. And what Dawood is basically going to teach you is what I do, what he does, what Jono does, which is basically how to start from scratch creating an online income as an affiliate marketer. Okay, it's going to be the most basic stuff, starting from scratch, so that you're not going to feel overwhelmed. Because a lot of people like me, I've been doing this for a while, so I'm used to a lot of things, and a lot of this stuff is kind of second nature to me, but it's not second nature to you. And so because of that, Dawood is basically going to start from scratch and say, okay, you know what? Let's get you started. Let's get the ball rolling so you start seeing your first sales coming in. And so he's going to show you exactly how to set things up step by step. Okay, he's partnered with Jono Armstrong, who is one of the biggest names in the industry, in order to put this thing together for you and show you exactly how this is done. Now, I do want to tell you before we get into the members area about my bonus, because my bonus is extremely valuable to you. My cat is here to tell you that it's extremely valuable as well. So, what is my bonus? Well, it happens that I'm also working on a product to help you out when you're dealing with this whole lockdown thing. I get it. Everybody is stuck at home trying to make a living, and it's probably not going to end in the next week or two. It's probably going to be a while. So I've been putting together my own product called 24-Hour Bucks. Now, 24-Hour Bucks is very different from the Lockdown Formula. Very different from almost anything you're going to see available for sale on Warrior Plus or any of the platforms that I usually sell things on. The reason is simple. That my thought was, yes, in the long term, you're going to make a lot of money by doing affiliate marketing like what Dawood is going to teach you. And yes, you can see some results within a couple of days. I want you to see results within a couple of hours. Okay, and so I'm putting together a series of courses with 5 different methods that you could start selling right away and start seeing results within hours. Okay, It's 24-hour bonus. The truth of the matter is 24 hours is a long time. The truth of the matter is that within minutes of finishing my course, you could start getting jobs, seeing results immediately. All right. I've already recorded the first lesson. It's just under an hour. Okay. And I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to know. I'm going to show you where to sell your services. I'm going to give you all the resources that you need. Everything is included, and you're going to get it for free from me when you pick up the lockdown formula from me. So basically, what you're going to get is 2 different methods of making money online immediately, right away. Okay. And the lockdown formula is great. I actually gave a testimonial for it. I don't know if they put it in the end. Let's see if my testimonial is actually here on the sales page or not. Looking. I don't think that they put me in here. Oh, there I am. Here I am. There you go. Okay, so we do have my picture right over there. That's my handsome mug there. So yes, I gave a testimonial for this because I think it's a great product. Okay, I really do. I like it. I think that Wood does a great job putting this together and giving you the basics that you're going to need in order to make this happen. All right, but I want to give you the ability to also actually start making some real money right away within hours. And that's what you're going to get from my bonus that nobody else is going to be able to give you.
Well, why not?
Well, because I am special and I'm going to go to the extra mile for my list. That's why. Anyway, so let's take a quick look. The members area is pretty basic. My cat really likes this thing also. That's why she's here saying hello. Okay, and you can see that you're going to have an introduction from Jono wearing a respirator mask. Very cute. And basically, it's going to show you the basics of affiliate marketing. And they're not going to start from like jumping in and assuming you know anything. The idea is that you're going to get the very basics so you can start right away to build things up, because they don't want you to feel as if, oh my God, how am I going to ever do this? They're going to actually give you everything step by step. Okay, that's something that's very different than what you usually see. There are a few bonuses that are going to be included as well here. These are some of Wood's previous products. These are nice products, and it's $10, by the way. So it's worth picking it up. But let's go ahead and see if I can give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
The giant hat, sir.
Indeed, tip of my hat to Wood in general. Great product. And I do think that building an online income using affiliate marketing is a great way to make some serious money online. Okay. The only thing that I have a problem with actually is on the sales page showing that $100,000. That's not realistic, not right away. Okay, eventually, sure, but it's not something that's going to happen immediately. It's going to take time to build yourself up to that, and that's why I included my own bonus, because I want you to start making some money right away. I want you to see results within a couple of hours, and because I know that people are suffering, people are struggling to pay their bills right now, not a month, 2 months, 3 months down the line, and yet you'll see results from this. If you implement, you can see results within a couple of days. I want to see results in hours, and that's why I put together my own bonus, which nobody else is going to offer you. So make sure you grab it using my link down below this video.